asuntoskeittiö Torin kulma.
Today is the 28th of August 2021. We have Helsingintie 13, stick C, and for some reason this door or these doors here are blue. Not like one red like in stick C and B.
Yeah.
It's very weird. Why did they choose that color differently? Yeah, but it makes it more varied, I guess. It was built in 1983 and 35 years old in 2018. The serial number is H62596. Wait, this has only 5 doors. The tickets A and B have 6 floors. It will be inspected in 2023. Right. Yeah, since this has 1 floor less, and they made it with blue doors instead.
Yeah.
Because it has 1 floor less. Weird. But weird still. Normally they're the same color in all staircases.
Yeah.
But I've seen the same feature in Vuosaari, where they have this Kaivokasatie 5, built 1997, ECV elevators.
Yeah.
And they have 2 staircases where they're dark green, and in one staircase is dark blue, so
Yeah.
kind of weird. I'll take it again, silent ride.
Yeah. Niitä paikki vain, mutta meitä ei paikka on.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Also, one feature here is yeah, the logo is blue, but this is the original occupied light.
That's